What it do, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean smart and not hard. Without further ado, let's get this going. Okay, so one of our first tips that we're going to be working on is this burnt pan. Yeah, let's not talk about my cooking. Anyways, so don't nobody have time to be scrubbing. So I'm throwing in some baking soda, boiling some hot water, and pour the hot water into the pan and let it sit for like 30 to 40 minutes. Once that is done, I take the pan to the sink, scrape the excess, and throw it away. I will rinse it off for a little bit because it's still greasy and add some Cascade dishwashing soap with baking soda. I didn't have Ajax or Comet, so that was the next best thing to do. Sometimes we have to improvise to get it done. Voila! Look how nice this pan looks. Nice, clean, and looks like it's brand new. All right, let's move on to the next. So this, what I have here is a microfiber hair tie. I got it from the dollar store, it's only $1. So you put it over the broom. There's a little hook that you can use to button it up. Okay, see, now we can clean our baseboard without bending down to clean and wipe our baseboard. The microfiber cloth will do all that for you. It will lift all the dust, anything from the baseboard. All right, y'all. Next is my dusty ass DVD player. How many of you guys still have DVD players? I know I do. But you see how dusty this is? I use the Swiffer wipes and just wipe it. You don't gotta worry about leaving a streak. You don't have to worry about leaving. It just lift all the dust from the DVD player. So no wet cloth, nothing, just wipe. All right, so now we're moving to my favorite. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous videos, but this is something that I do every time I clean my kitchen and my bathroom. So you can use Clorox or you can use vinegar to clean the head faucet. But because we have a shortage on Clorox, I just need to put that to the side because I got some cleaning to do, wash my clothes. So we're gonna use vinegar. Okay, so I'm pouring vinegar into the bag, and then I'll be tying the bag around the head faucet to let it sit for like an hour or so. You can do it for less than an hour, but an hour works for me. And now I'm repeating the same steps for the bathroom sink and shower head. All right, let's move on to the next. Now, this oven is, no, I'm not scrubbing at all. Nope, We're gonna play smart. No hard work here. We're gonna hit that clean button, self-clean button, push start, and let it clean itself for 3 hours and 30 minutes. The cool indicates the self-cleaning process is finished. However, it will remain locked until the cooling process is completed. Once it is completed, you will hear a beep sound notification. You see how nice and clean my oven is? I didn't have to do anything. Just in case you're wondering, did my apartment get smoky while my oven was self-cleaning? No, but it did produce a smell, which I had to open up my balcony door to get it out. All right, folks, the last one is wiping down my trash can. It's not a hack, but that is something that I implemented when I moved here. I have valid trash pickup, so when I put my trash out there for someone to pick up my trash, whether or not they're wearing gloves, For me, it's like I still gotta wipe it down. Yes, I'm a germaphobe. I was a germaphobe way before the whole COVID-19 hit. So, to play it safe and not be sorry later on, I just take Lysol wipes and wipe my trash can down. Or I will spray Lysol, but I don't have any Lysol spray, so wiping it down is good enough. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, subscribe. Until next time, my beautiful people. Oh, by the way, don't forget to share with your fellow mates. Until next time, my beautiful people, peace out.